Hey guys, let's quickly sum up all the things we're going to talk about in today's video. The world's largest Bitcoin mining pool is blocking mainland Chinese IP addresses. Cryptocurrencies, according to Vladimir Putin, have the potential to become legitimate payment currencies. Crypto regulation is a matter of urgency for financial stability, according to the Bank of England's governor. Elon Musk's Tesla has already made a $1 billion profit on Bitcoin holdings. The world's largest Bitcoin mining pool, Ant Pool, has caved in to the governmental crackdown and declared that IP access to mainland China would be blocked as of October 15th. In the midst of a worldwide crypto meltdown, Ant Pool has also announced the forthcoming introduction of its proprietary KYC verification system, which will help it comply with various country's crypto legislation. There have been many shutdowns of unregistered mining farms as well as registered giants taking efforts to comply with the authorities after the revelation regarding the Chinese government's surveillance of IP addresses to filter out unlawful crypto mining activity in the nation. Bitmain, China's largest Bitcoin mining equipment maker, stated earlier this week that it will cease delivering antimers to the nation as of October 11 because of the impending crypto crackdown, which is specifically targeting Bitcoin mining. Actively responding to the local government policies of the company's entities has been Bitmain's business strategy all along. Strictly abide by the rules and regulations of the locations of the company's entities is the operating principle that Bitmain has always adhered to. From October 11, 2021, miner will stop shipping to mainland China, excluding Hong Kong and Taiwan. For customers in mainland China who have purchased long-term products, our staff will contact them to provide alternative resolutions, stated the press release. The Russian President Vladimir Putin appears to be in support of cryptocurrencies and their usage in the payment industry. Putin said crypto assets have the right to exist and can be used as a means of payment in a recent interview with CNBC. The Russian president's pro-crypto stance surprised many, given that the Russian central bank has issued several warnings for crypto traders, reminding them of the high risks associated with crypto trading. Putin's remarks about crypto as a possible payment method come at a time when the United States and many other European countries are mulling severe rules on the cryptocurrency industry. The Russian president also stated that while the technology is young and hence insecure, it has the potential to mature into a genuine payment mechanism over time. He clarified, the cryptocurrency is not backed by anything yet. It exists and as a mean of calculation can be used, of course, yes, but trading in oil, say, or other primary materials and energy sources, still, it seems to me it's too early to talk about this for now. But everything develops, everything has the right to exist. We will see how it will go further. Maybe someday it may also be a means of accumulation. We see this market fluctuate. It's a bit early today. Putin's statements on the cryptocurrency market show that Russia isn't completely dismissing digital assets. Since 2014, Russia has been subject to US sanctions, and the rising popularity of digital assets might assist the country bypass trade prohibitions, much as Iran attempted to accomplish with Bitcoin. The US, on the other hand, has stated that it has no plans to outright prohibit crypto as China has done, but the SEC's tight regulations and regulatory enforcement might stifle the crypto market's growth. Regulators all around the globe can't stop talking about cryptocurrencies due to the tightening links between traditional banking and cryptocurrency marketplaces. On October 13, John Cunliffe, the Bank of England's Deputy Governor for Financial Stability, talked on the threats crypto poses to the financial system, focusing on stablecoins, decentralized finance, and derivatives trading on unbacked digital assets. Despite the fact that cryptocurrency markets are still tiny, Cunliffe stressed that the risks they represent are dependent on the degree of interconnectivity between crypto and the traditional financial sector. That level of connectivity has been steadily increasing. Cunliffe judged the speed of regulation to be slow, especially in comparison to the rate of change in the sector. Speeding up regulation must be sought as a matter of urgency, he added. He elaborated, financial stability risks currently are relatively limited, but they could grow very rapidly if, as I expect, this area continues to develop and expand at pace. How large those risks could grow will depend on small part on the nature and on the speed of the response by regulatory and supervisory authorities. For a long time, the Bank of England has been involved in crypto legislation, particularly in its position as a monetary authority and in its ongoing work on a digital pound. Cunliffe chairs a newly formed joint task group of the two UK regulators concentrating on digital money alongside Catherine Braddock of HM Treasury. Tesla's risky move into the Bitcoin market has paid off in 2021, with BTC's price rising in October to over $58,000 on October 14. According to Bitcoin treasuries, Tesla now possesses around 43,200 BTC, which is worth almost $2.5 billion at today's rates. This is almost $1 billion more than the car maker paid in February when Elon Musk's firm said that it has added $1.5 billion in Bitcoin to its financial sheet. Tesla sold 10% of its Bitcoin holdings in Q2, around 46,000 BTC, for an average price of around $50,000 per token, according to reports. The firm said in its Q2 financial report that it had made $128 million in profit from its Bitcoin sale. Tesla's net gains from its crypto assets were equal to its income in Q2 following the recent Bitcoin price recovery. Tesla's net profit for the second quarter was $1.14 billion, the first time it had ever surpassed the $1 billion barrier. The profit was part of a total revenue of $11.96 billion, with roughly $10.21 billion coming from automobile sales. The remaining $354 million was raised through regulatory credit sales. Tesla said on October 1st that it delivered 241,300 electric vehicles in the third quarter, up from 201,250 in the previous quarter. Expectations are high for blockbuster results to be disclosed after the market closes on October 19 when combined with Tesla's Bitcoin profits. So that's all for now. We'll get back to you tomorrow morning. Until then, join our Telegram channel for free crypto signals, visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel for daily updated crypto news.